We are going to be copying a Word table and basically embedding it into a PowerPoint slide. And then we're going to open up another Word document, copy a different Word table, and embed that into a second slide. And then we'll make some editing changes in PowerPoint. And because we are embedding rather than linking, the original tables that are in Word will remain unchanged. So the PowerPoint presentation that we are going to be putting the tables into is 3-WE, DIST department meeting. So we're going to open that up. And we do have something linked in here from earlier, and we're going to update that link. And that is the chart that we linked in. And now we're going to go over into Word, and the first file we need to open is WE Prev Dist Table. So you're probably going to have to click on Browse, go to your Integrating 3 folder, and choose WE Prev Dist Table. Click Open. And so you'll see the table. And if you position the mouse over the table, you're going to see that little move handle. We're going to click that because that will actually highlight the entire table. And then we're going to click on Copy. It puts our table into the Windows clipboard. Now we're going to go over into PowerPoint, and we're going to select slide 4. And this is where we're going to embed the table. So we're going to click on the Paste list arrow and go into Paste Special. And this time, we're just choosing Paste because we do not want the table linked to the original. Choosing Paste will embed the table and allow us to make changes without impacting the original Word document. So we're choosing Paste, and we're going to choose Microsoft Word Document Object and click OK. And these pasted objects come in rather small. So I am going to resize this and reposition it so it's in the center, and that dashed red line indicates center. Okay, so now I've got the first table embedded. The second table is going to go in the general distribution slide. So now I'm going to go back over to Word, and I can close this one, and I'm going to open another Word document. And this document is called WE Gen Dist Table. Okay, and it contains a very similar table. I'm going to enable the editing here and click on that selection handle or the move handle and copy. And now I'm going to go into PowerPoint. And I'm going to click on the Paste arrow, go into Paste Special. Again, this is going to be embedded, so we just want to choose Paste. And we are dealing with a Microsoft Word document object, which is a Word table. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And then we will do the resizing once again. Actually, this could be even bigger. And on slides, it is nice to have these tables pretty good size because then people can see them when you're running the presentation. And I'm going to kind of click away. And then we do need to make a little editing change to this. So let's go ahead and double click on it. And that puts us kind of in editing mode here. And the change we need to make is to Cinema Plus in Sacramento and Oakland. The date has changed. So now the date is going to be June 1st. So we're just going to make that little editing change. And then let's click outside the table to deselect it. Okay, and there is no need to print. We're going to save our changes. And they would also like us to apply a transition and transition sound to all of the slides in the show. And you get to pick what you like. And it does not matter to me what you pick. Keep in mind that we're talking about revenues, distribution. Okay, so that affects the transition that you pick. And again, it does not matter to me what you guys pick. Okay, so you're going to pick a transition, and if you want to change the direction, you can. And you're also going to pick some type of sound. And if you want to adjust the duration, you can. You do not have to. And I'm going to apply this to all. And then let me just preview one. Okay, that looks good enough for me, so I'm going to save my change and close out of the presentation. Okay, and we are now done, so if you have Word or Excel open, you can close those as well.